Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and in today's short video I'll explain how we can hold a meeting on Zoom software. Okay, as you can see here, I have already downloaded Zoom, which is the shortcut is lying on my desktop. So you can click on it, or you can double click on it. You need to be connected to internet. Okay, and once it is launched, let me again click on it. So so this is the interface. If you want to schedule a meeting, as you can see here, schedule a meeting, so just click on it. Now topic is Rustam Ali Zoom meeting, so you can you can give your own topic here. Let's say teaching pronunciation. So this is a topic. Start date, as you can see, Tuesday, April 27. So you can change the date. Let's say we select 28th. Okay, now time can be selected, long list of time. You can find different time slots. Let's say 8 p.m. Now usually free Zoom meeting is for 40 minutes, so you can set the time up to 45 minutes. Okay. So time zone, Islamabad, Tashkent, you don't need to change it, it's okay. Now meeting ID, you can generate a meeting ID for every session, or you can use your personal meeting ID, that is a permanent ID. If you want to use generate automatic ID, so new ID will be sent to you. Now waiting room, you don't need to click it. Just video should be on or off. It should be off. Participants video off. So if it is here, let's say on, so you should click on this. It means that whenever participants are going to join your meeting, their video should be off. Now calendar, click on other calendars. Okay, after this you can click on, there are other options, advanced options. Okay, click on these. Now mute participants upon entry and automatically record meeting on the local computer. These are some settings you need to, otherwise usually it is unchecked, so you need to check them like this. Okay, once doing all these, you can click on save. Okay, now your meeting has been saved. If you want to invite others, so you can you can click here, copy to clipboard. Okay, now your link has been copied. Now you can send this to your students. How you can send it? Like you can email this link to yourself, and then just open your email on mobile phone and copy it and then share it in the WhatsApp group. Now you can see meeting, here is the button meetings. So you can see 8 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. this meeting is tomorrow. Okay, that is on April 8th. And if you want to start this meeting, so before starting a meeting, you should keep ready your presentation. Let's say here is a presentation. I have already kept it ready. So let's say you can see different slides. So let's say it is already ready, and I have minimized it from clicking on this button, and now it is at desk, taskbar. So let me start the meeting. Okay, right away. Although this meeting will be started tomorrow, that is on April 28th, but the person who has arranged this meeting, he or she can start it right away. Here we go, and then click on this expand button, and in a while it will come up. Now click on join with computer audio. Now go to share screen. Here is the button share screen, and here is your PowerPoint, and now click on share. After sharing, don't speak. Keep as you can see here, your video is off, and let me your video is off, but you are and you can mute yourself from here for a while, because there are few more settings. Before you speak, you should do the setting. Now come to security and click here on unmute themselves, uncheck it. It means that students cannot unmute themselves during the meeting. Okay. And second security check is that click on start video, that students should not be able to start their video, because sometimes students join with their video on. There are female students, and sometimes the room they are sitting in, that is not proper. So you can click on this. Okay. Now I'm going to unmute myself. Okay. Now you can see security has been set. As you can see, students can chat. Now here is a button, allow participants to share screen. Okay, it is unchecked. It means they can't share their screen. Allow participant to chat, yes. Allow participant to rename themselves, yes. But they can't unmute themselves, they can't start video. So after doing all this, you can now start talking to them. Okay. And now here let me you can check how many participants are there, as you can see here. And you can even go to more button to see whether they are chatting or not. Like, you can ask them to go to chat box, and you can see the chat in the chat box. Okay. So these are few settings. Otherwise, now you can continue speaking. Okay. So you can start speaking like Bismillah Rahman Rahim, my name is Rustam and I'm going to talk about this and that. Okay. So once it is over, you can end the meeting. Okay. Like come to more button here, and you can come here and click on end. So meeting will be ended. So hope you have got a few important points regarding how to set a meeting. So I'm going to end the meeting for all. So meeting has been ended. So now it will automatically be your meeting will automatically be recorded. Okay. The meeting is being converted, and in a while it will be recorded and it will be saved on your desktop. Later on, even you can upload it to YouTube channel if you have a YouTube channel. So this is how we can as you can see here, the meeting has been recorded. When I click on this, it will start running. Now go to here is the button share screen to PowerPoint, and let me mute yourself. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can ask this question in the description box, and I'll try to explain it. Thank you.